Have you ever walked into your kitchen, opened the cupboard, and spotted that small box of baking soda just sitting there? You probably use it for baking, maybe for scrubbing a sink now and then. But what if I told you that this simple powder is hiding a bunch of beauty and health secrets everyone should know? Today, I'm going to share with you 11 baking soda tricks that could change the way you care for your skin, your hair, and your body without the need for expensive products filled with hard-to-pronounce chemicals. These are natural, practical, and surprisingly powerful. And most importantly, they work. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that puts your health and beauty first. Now, let's get into it. 1. Treat kidney disease. Let's start with something you might not expect: your kidneys. These two bean-shaped organs quietly filter waste and balance fluids every single day. But as we age, kidney function can decline, especially in women. According to Dr. Julian Whitaker, the body produces bicarbonate to balance acid levels. In people with kidney issues, this natural buffering system becomes impaired. British researchers have found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation slowed kidney decline by nearly 2/3. That's huge. Something as simple as baking soda, taken under medical supervision, could help keep your kidneys functioning better longer. Of course, always consult your doctor first. But it's a powerful reminder that sometimes healing comes from the simplest things. 2. Cure occasional heartburn and indigestion. You've just finished a delicious meal, but an hour later, that familiar burning sensation creeps up your chest. It's uncomfortable, distracting, and all too common. Many women turn to over-the-counter antacids like Tums or Alka-Seltzer for relief. But did you know those products often contain sodium bicarbonate? That means you can go straight to the source: baking soda. Stir half a teaspoon into a small glass of water and sip it slowly. Within minutes, you might feel that heartburn start to fade. It works by neutralizing excess stomach acid. Just be careful not to overuse it. This remedy is for occasional use, not every day. But when you need quick, natural relief, baking soda is your friend. 3. Oral hygiene. Your smile says a lot about you. And while brushing your teeth is a daily habit, not all methods are created equal. Baking soda has long been praised for its cleaning power, but should you brush your teeth with it directly? Experts like Dr. Whitaker suggest caution. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and, over time, could wear down enamel if used alone. Instead, opt for commercial toothpastes that include baking soda in a balanced formulation. You'll still get the benefits: gentle stain removal, fresher breath, and cleaner teeth, but without the risk. Think of baking soda not as a replacement, but as a smart addition to your oral care routine. It's about balance and knowing how to use it safely. 4. Mouthwash. Now let's talk about those places your toothbrush can't reach. Baking soda can also double as an effective, natural mouthwash. Just half a teaspoon mixed into a glass of warm water creates a gentle rinse that reaches into the corners of your mouth, under the tongue, and along the gums. Healthline notes that this rinse can neutralize odors, reduce acidity, and help remove particles stuck between teeth. It's a great way to freshen your breath after a meal or before bedtime. And the best part: no artificial colors, alcohol, or burning sensation. Just simple, natural cleansing. Give it a try next time you need a refresh. You might be surprised how clean your mouth feels. 5. Smooths canker sores. They seem to come out of nowhere and make every bite, every sip, and every smile a little painful. But there may be a solution already in your pantry. Back in 1973, doctors at Sunnybrook Hospital found that baking soda played a role in treating stubborn mouth ulcers. In their study, 7 out of 10 patients improved using a simple therapy that included baking soda. Why? Because it helps reduce the acidity in your mouth, creating a more balanced environment where healing can begin. Try rinsing with a mild baking soda solution or gently dabbing a paste onto the sore. Just be careful with the application. You want to soothe, not irritate. And always check with your dentist for long-term issues. 6. Whitens teeth. Who doesn't want a whiter smile? Especially when coffee, tea, and even healthy foods can stain our teeth over time. Baking soda offers a gentle way to lift those surface stains and brighten your smile. According to research published in the Medical Science Monitor, baking soda helps break the bonds of staining molecules on tooth enamel. And unlike harsh whitening strips, it also has antimicrobial properties that help keep your mouth clean. You can find it as an ingredient in many whitening toothpaste, or make a weekly paste with water at home. Just remember, less is more. Used wisely, baking soda can help your smile shine naturally. 7. Deodorant. Let's face it, we all sweat. But that doesn't mean we need to rely on artificial fragrances or chemical-heavy deodorants. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that works by neutralizing the acidic compounds in sweat that cause odor. According to John Henderson Lamb from the University of Oklahoma, a light dusting under the arms can keep you smelling fresh all day. You can even mix it with coconut oil or cornstarch for a DIY deodorant that's both simple and effective. No aluminum, no harsh additives, just nature doing its job. And if you've been struggling with sensitivity to store-bought products, this might be the gentler alternative your skin has been waiting for. 8. Could improve exercise performance. Ever felt that burning sensation in your muscles during a workout? That's lactic acid building up. And when it happens, your energy drops and your performance dips. But here's something fascinating. Studies show that taking baking soda before intense exercise can help buffer that lactic acid and reduce muscle fatigue. A study in Biome Central found that participants who consumed baking soda before working out had better endurance and less perceived exertion. It's not a magic pill, but it could give you that extra edge, especially during high-intensity training. Always start small and check with your doctor, but it's another example of baking soda doing more than we ever imagined. 9. Treat itchy skin and sunburns. Red, irritated, itchy skin can make you feel uncomfortable in your own body. Whether it's from a sunburn, allergic reaction, or dry weather, baking soda might offer gentle relief. WebMD notes that its soothing properties help calm inflammation and reduce the sting of burns or rashes. Try mixing a few tablespoons into a warm bath and soaking for 15 to 20 minutes. Or make a paste with water and apply it to small, itchy areas. It won't replace prescription treatments for serious conditions, but it's a natural first step to feel more comfortable in your skin, literally. Simple, safe, and surprisingly effective. 10. Whitens your laundry. Looking for brighter whites without bleach? Baking soda might be your secret weapon. When dissolved in water, it becomes alkaline, which helps it interact with acidic stains and lift them from fabric. Researchers at the University of Nebraska found that adding a cup of baking soda to your laundry not only enhances the detergent's power, but also softens water and deodorizes clothing. It's gentle, eco-friendly, and cost-effective. No harsh chemicals, just cleaner, fresher-smelling clothes. So next laundry day, try giving your wash a boost with baking soda. Your towels, sheets, and t-shirts will thank you. 11. Removes carpet stains. Last but not least, your carpet. We've all had those accidents, a spilled cup of coffee, muddy shoes, or a pet mishap. Instead of reaching for chemical cleaners, try this. Sprinkle baking soda on the stain, then spray with vinegar. This combination creates carbonic acid, a fizzing, lifting reaction that penetrates deep into the fibers. According to an article in the U.S. National Library of Medicine, this homemade solution can rival store-bought products. Let it sit, scrub gently, and vacuum after it dries. Your carpet will not only look better, but it'll smell fresher too. It's one more way baking soda proves it can do just about anything. So what's the takeaway here? Baking soda isn't just a baking ingredient. It's a multi-use marvel for your health, beauty, home, and beyond. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always patch test when applying it to your skin and consult your doctor before using it internally. Used wisely, baking soda is a safe, affordable, and effective ally for everyone everywhere. Today we learned about 11 baking soda tricks that will change your life. But did you know that there are useful things in your pantry that can be beneficial to your health? Are you interested in knowing more about tips and tricks to shed pounds easily? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more weight loss related videos. Shall we? Watch 16 healthy foods that help you lose the most weight. You may also try our video on 13 weight loss tips to get rid of your bloated belly fat. Go ahead, click one. Or better yet, watch both and learn more about weight loss and nutrition. What other fruits should seniors eat? Let us know in the comments below.